What is finite element analysis, and what are its applications?
FEA is a numerical method to solve partial differential equations, used to analyze stress, strain, and other performance metrics in various fields like mechanical, civil, and aerospace engineering.
What are the basic steps involved in FEA?
The steps are preprocessing modeling, meshing, analysis, solving, and post-processing, interpreting results.
What is the difference between a node and an element in FEA?
A node is a point in space where degrees of freedom are defined, while an element is a collection of nodes that form a simple shape, e.g., tetrahedron, hexahedron.
How do you choose the appropriate element type and mesh size for an analysis?
Element type depends on the problem's physics and geometry. Mesh size is chosen based on the desired accuracy, with finer meshes providing more accurate results but increasing computational cost.
What is the difference between static and dynamic analysis in FEA?
Static analysis solves for equilibrium under constant loads, while dynamic analysis considers time-dependent loads and motion.
How do you interpret stress and strain results from FEA?
Stress and strain are evaluated at nodes or elements, and results are interpreted considering factors like material properties, boundary conditions, and loading.
What are some common FEA software tools, and how do you choose the appropriate one for a project?
Popular FEA software includes ANSYS, Abacus, and Nastran. The choice depends on the specific problem, industry, and personal preference.
Can you explain the concept of convergence in FEA?
Convergence refers to the process of refining the mesh to achieve accurate results, ensuring that solutions converge to a stable value.
How do you validate FEA results with experimental data or other analytical methods?
Validation involves comparing FEA results with experimental data, hand calculations, or other numerical methods to ensure accuracy and confidence in the results.